Golden State Warriors versus Sacramento Kings. January 23, 2025. The battleground is in the territory of the Kings. Let the battle begins. 3 points by Looney. Wiggins. 3 points. Along shots by Curry. 3 points. Lamang ang Warriors ng 4 sa first quarter, 2024. Pagkatapos ng first half, 65-48, lamang ng 17 points ang Warrior. Akala ng karamihan ay magtuloy-tuloy na. Sa third quarter, humabol ang Kings at nag-all na sa 85. Na-outscore ng Sacramento Kings ang Warriors sa buong fourth quarter. 3 points by the Kings. Bola ulit ng Kings. 3 points by DeRozan. Kings na naman. 3 points ulit. Bang! Na-intercept pa. 2 points na naman. Nanalo ang Kings. Final score, 123-117. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Stories of Uncle Paeng. Comment, like, and share, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.